Hi all, thought I'd revisit my Compaq Presario desktop PC from 2005. I just put a different graphics card in there, see what the performance would be like, and it refuses to boot. So I replaced the CMOS battery, no luck. I took the CMOS battery out and shorted the reset jumper on the motherboard, left everything unplugged overnight, put everything back in, same thing, refuses to boot. And that's the start screen. It signals in the bottom left entering setup after pressing F1, and it just stays there, and I can't progress any further. So this ungainly setup here is using different power supply, same result. So it's not the power supply, it's the motherboard. Now there is one for sale on eBay for 12 quid, so I'm going to try and get that one and stick it in there and report back. Watch this space.